Hi everyone, it's Julie with Pure Living Nutrition. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you guys how you can saute vegetables without oil. So there's a couple reasons why it's great to cook without oil and to not include oils in your diets at all. And one of those reasons is that according to Dr. Esselstyn, who is a cardiologist, oils of any kind, and that includes coconut oil, olive oil, some of these heart-healthy oils, actually has been shown to injure the endothelial lining of your arteries, and that can contribute to heart disease. Also, oil is a processed food, and so just 1 tablespoon of oil is 120 calories, which translates to 4,000 calories per pound. So if you're looking to lose weight, then taking oil out of your diet is the easiest and quickest way to reduce your overall calories so that you can lose the weight easier. Also, oils and any fats that have been heated become oxidized and rancid, and they're just no longer healthy for us. So when you do consume healthy fats, it's best to consume them in its whole form, in its raw state, such as avocados and raw nuts and seeds, so that you can reduce and eliminate oxidation and rancidity from your diet. I know in the beginning it might seem like you're missing something with your food by not having all the oils, but you'll find that over the course of several days your taste buds will change, and I promise you the flavors will be more enhanced and you'll be able to enjoy your foods a lot more. So let's go ahead and get started with how to cook your vegetables without oil. So the first thing that you're going to need is a non-stick pan, and then you're going to set your heat to about medium, and when your pan is hot, then you're going to go ahead and pour some water. So for stirring the vegetables, you'll want to use a silicone spatula instead of a metal spatula because the metal will scratch off the non-stick coating of the pan. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start off with some onions. The main thing here is to stir constantly and to continue to watch your vegetables as you're cooking it so that it doesn't burn, and then also to cook it down to basically the consistency that you want, so a translucent color. If you want to caramelize it even more, then you'd want to cook it down even more, so forth. Also, if you wanted to help speed up the cooking process, you can always put a cover on top and let it cook with the cover to help trap the heat. Once the onions have cooked down, we're going to go ahead and add in some carrots and celery. And the same thing, we're just going to go ahead and stir often and continue to watch the vegetables. And lastly, we're going to go ahead and add our green leaves to the vegetables since they cook down the quickest, and we'll just lightly stir that in until it wilts. And then finally, to add a little bit more flavor, I'm going to drizzle the vegetables with some balsamic vinegar and also some lemon juice to just bring in more flavor, more tanginess, and to give it more of that salty flavor without the salt. And same thing here, I'm just going to go ahead and stir that in and continue to cook my vegetables as I'm monitoring it, constantly watching it. And this whole process takes about 20 minutes, so you just want to give yourself time to let the vegetables cook down and cooking it to a point that you're satisfied with, obviously without burning it. So it takes about 20 minutes. Okay, so that is how you saute vegetables without oil. I hope that you found this video helpful, and I hope that you guys give this cooking technique a try to help reduce your calories, to improve your meals as far as making them more healthy. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy your vegetables. Bye!